Well, Tony has our next story. Speaking of electric cars, about
Yeah. So, yeah, and speaking of cars and car parts and things, I mean, because this is all new, and so I'm trying to figure this out. But
we're trying to get this guy. Look at that, nicely done, Tony.
thank you, thank you. So, yeah, here in Wired magazine, they say an old school auto suppliers betting on electric future. And so in the article here, they talk about Continental. Now, do you guys remember the 3M commercials that they used to say, "We don't make the things you like, we make the things you like better"?
I thought that was BNSF, but yes.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. It was BNSF. Coming out with
BASF.
BASF. Yeah, BNSF. I think that's a railroad.
That's a railway.
So anyway, yeah. So BASF, or 3M, otherwise known as a rail company.
Some company.
And it kind of reminded me of this. So I think a lot of people driving their cars don't realize how much of their car is manufactured by this company, Continental. And Continental makes a lot of parts for internal combustion engine vehicles. They are the fourth largest auto supplier, and they have committed that they're going to stop focusing on all of their internal combustion engines, and they're going to start transitioning toward electric vehicles, is what it comes down to. And their thing is, which is very forward looking, EVs still account for about 2% of new car sales in the US, but they know that's going to grow. And as the fourth largest auto parts supplier, they know that they have an opportunity right now to carve out a big piece of that pie. And this is really big news, because it's one thing for manufacturers to say that they're going to transition to electric vehicles. They say that they're going to make these things, but the problem is that they can't get good, reliable, inexpensive parts. Their EVs are going to be more expensive. So when you have a company like Continental making that transition and shifting from internal combustion vehicles to EVs and parts, that should mean the manufacturers are going to have a wider variety of parts to select from, and those parts are going to be less expensive, and everyone is going to benefit from that.
I agree, Tony. That's a very good point.
I just think this is a great transition point right now that we're seeing.
Yeah, I love the idea that a third party is now going to start maybe not making it exclusively, but certainly looking into what parts they can make for the EV market, and start shipping them out and become a catalog that these manufacturers can rely upon.
Looks good. Well, I mean, and that's definitely, we need these little steps. We need to bring down the cost of EVs, and we need to see more companies making parts for them, scaling it up, obviously.
And the competition is also good, because you've got Bosch, you've got Continental, you've got Delco, right? Denso. Well, Denso, but Delco. So the more options there are, the better chance that you can have a lower price and a better fit for all these different vehicles. Because maybe Denso makes one that's better for large cars, but the Delco one is good for small cars.
Absolutely.
Right. And we've often said that it only takes one mover, and when the competition sees that, now the industry is going to shift. So, yeah.